Hi guys, welcome to 𝗀𝗶𝗶𝘁. If you have a motorcycle and if it does have a key, which it does, and if your key is tight and clunky whenever you try to operate it, then this one is for you. Don't skip the video, watch till the end. I'm going to show you how to resolve this issue. Most of the people forget to maintain this part of the motorcycle, which is called the key barrel. This is where you insert the key of your machine. I'll put a picture on the screen for you guys to have the better understanding of what I'm talking about. So when you guys are riding out there, you ride in all sorts of conditions and climates. For those of you especially who live in India, so the result is dirt, moisture, rainwater. It gets seeps into this key barrel, and over a duration of time it will start creating serious problems. You will start noticing that the key doesn't turn smoothly, and you have to use force to turn it every time. And if you keep doing this very quickly, you are going to damage the key barrel, and eventually you have to replace the whole key lock set of the vehicle. So for those of you who want to understand this issue a bit more technically, let me explain you. Whenever there is metal to metal contact over a duration of time, if not maintained properly, you will see quick wear and tear of parts. So now, as this is a serious problem, because without a proper smooth functioning key, you won't be able to ride or even start the machine for that matter. So what do? As every moving part needs maintenance, so does this one. This is where you will understand the difference between a mechanic who operates spanners and wrenches to a person who has technical knowledge and expertise on how to maintain a machine properly. There is big difference between these two guys. So let me tell you how to resolve this problem. Take the good old WD-40. This has been around for ages and is used for all sorts of maintenance purposes. When it comes to machinery, you can get this anywhere. Go to your nearest automotive store, you can get this one very easily. A small can like this one will last you a couple of times. So take this good old WD-40, insert into the key barrel, give it a couple of sprays, then take the key of your machine, insert into the key barrel, turn it a couple of times, and as you are doing so, slowly you will notice the operation of the key getting smoother. So by doing this maintenance periodically at regular intervals, you are going to increase the lifespan of the key barrel, its proper functioning, and the smooth operation of your key whenever you insert into the barrel. Now you have a smooth working key and you are on your ride enjoying the machine, not bothering about the damage that is going to be done to the key barrel. Problem solved. So for such interesting and exciting content on maintaining your machine, go and subscribe this channel, Room Brothers. I'm going to talk and share about such content which is very rarely seen out there on social media on today's day and age. That's it for today's episode, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one quick. Peace.